Here I've got Apple iPad Pro, and let me show you how to reset settings on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and pick General, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on Reset. Here the very first tab is Reset All Settings. Simply select it and confirm that you would like to reset it by clicking on Reset. Now confirm it one more time because this operation cannot be undone and it will erase all the settings. No data or media will be deleted. Click on Reset and wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. All the settings have been reset. Now you can use your device with the default settings and you can set everything from the beginning. So that's basically all. This is how you can reset settings in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.